Hey, it's Vanessa Rhodes with Three Bears Home Staging, where we teach homeowners how to make their homes look just right for a faster, more profitable sale. Working in real estate, you know there are two crucial keys to selling a home: price and presentation. As agents and brokers, you're already experts on pricing. But what about presentation? Judging from some of these MLS photos, there's clearly some work to be done, and we can help. Why Three Bears Home Staging? We have worked as Houston's home staging consultation experts since 2013, providing positive, empowering consultations, both in person and online, that teach homeowners how to prepare their home for amazing MLS photos and a faster, more profitable sale, some in less than 1 day on the market. I'm a published author on Amazon and Apple Books, have a well-trafficked blog on the subject, and I've launched an online home staging course geared specifically toward helping sellers learn how to stage their own homes. I've been recognized as one of the top 100 most influential people in real estate staging since 2018 and have won Best of Customer Service awards from House.com every year since 2015. I put my heart and soul into helping sellers learn how to prepare their homes for a successful sale. I love teaching homeowners how to use what they already have, where to update, and how to get creative in a way that will net them a faster sale and a higher profit. Here's what happens when you team up with Three Bears Home Staging. By mentioning a home staging consultation in your listing presentation, you're staying a step ahead of your competition. Did you know that according to the National Association of Realtors Profile of Home Staging report, nearly 83% of buyer's agents said staging a home made it easier for a buyer to visualize the property as a future home. But by contrast, only 28% of sellers said that they stage all homes prior to listing them for sale. Be unique. Add value to your client's experience by offering a home staging consultation. Bad news can be hard to hear. Avoid having those dreaded conversations with clients about how unattractive or cluttered their home looks. Offering them advice from a third party, like a home staging expert, and giving them free resources to learn more about the process is an easy way to get out of looking like the bad guy. When a home listing grows stale, a price reduction often becomes more likely. But did you know that teaching a seller how to stage their own home costs significantly less than reducing the price, and it often prevents the cut in the first place? According to the National Association of Realtors, 90% of home buyers start their search online, and you need amazing photos to get them to the door. Staged properties like these make your listing shine and turn buyers into traffic. The most important reason of all to offer a home staging consultation? It makes you look like a top agent. Staging makes a home look picture perfect, which helps easily sell the space online. The more homes you sell quickly, the more calls you're going to be getting for new listings. Want to learn how we can help you get one step closer to the closing table? Visit us at threebearshomestaging.com. Until next time, happy home selling.